To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide online status on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your online status on WhatsApp, what you gotta do is simply go to your WhatsApp. Once you're in your WhatsApp, you need to simply tap on your profile. Once you have tapped on your profile as well and went to your settings, you need to tap on privacy. After that, you need to tap on last seen and online. After you go there, you can see the section called who can see my last seen and turn it to nobody. If you want to hide your WhatsApp online status, then you need to set it to nobody and then set who can see when I am online to same as last seen. After this, it effectively hides both. But remember, you won't be able to see others' online status either. So this is how you can simply hide your online status on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and keep following us and subscribing us for more interesting videos.